Designing a premium website step-by-step guide to elevate your online presence. Keycap 1. Understanding premium web design. Explore the key elements that define a premium website. Learn how to balance aesthetics and functionality for a top-tier user experience. Keycap 2. Strategic planning. Develop a solid plan before diving into design. Understand your target audience, goals, and brand identity to create a cohesive design strategy. Keycap 3. Choosing the right color palette and typography. Discover the psychology behind colors and fonts. Select a harmonious color scheme and typography that aligns with your brand and enhances user engagement. Keycap 4. Responsive and user-centric design. Dive into the importance of responsive design for various devices. Explore user-centric design principles to ensure a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience. Keycap 5. Visual hierarchy and layout. Master the art of visual hierarchy to guide users through your content. Explore effective layout techniques for a clean and organized design. Keycap 6. High-quality imagery and graphics. Learn how to choose and optimize images for a premium look. Understand the role of high-quality graphics in enhancing visual appeal. Keycap 7. Navigation and accessibility. Create an intuitive navigation structure for ease of use. Ensure your website is accessible to a diverse audience, including those with disabilities. Keycap 8. Interactive elements and animations. Explore the use of subtle animations and interactive elements to captivate users. Learn when and how to incorporate these features without overwhelming the user experience. Keycap 9. Optimizing for speed and performance. Understand the importance of fast-loading pages for user satisfaction and SEO. Implement best practices for optimizing website speed and performance.